So, doon po sa nangyari sa Charlotte, sa Jan 2024, General Conference 2024, meron ho bang nabago sa ating doktrinal doon sa mga nagawa nilang desisyon doon? We, Filipino Methodist, would change the social principle. We are not changing the doctrine of the church.
We are not changing the doctrine of the church. We are only changing an interpretation of that doctrine to make it responsive to a situation.
So can we change our doctrine?
You can interpret the doctrine.
But can we change it? There's no way we can change it.
You cannot change the doctrine of God as Trinitarian, because that is the way God reveals himself. Remember, God's business of being God is his own business. The way he makes that known to us is by revelation. He discloses himself because only he knows himself, and only can therefore reveal what he knows of himself in the way he decides to reveal himself, in the form in which he reveals himself. If he decides to be creator in the way he creates the world, if he decides to create a hell in order to put there sinners who don't know how to repent by way of his judgments, if he decides that he loves the world so much and he doesn't want it to perish, and so he sends his son through the power of the Spirit, so that the way salvation takes place is by God, who is the Father of Jesus Christ, sending his son to be the agent of his salvation through the power of the Spirit. That is Trinitarian interpretation already. That is a way of changing the monotheistic doctrine of the Old Testament into a Trinitarian one. In the Philippines, we can put in our own discipline, in accordance with our situation here in the Philippines, that we will not elect homosexual bishops. We will not ordain self-avowed practicing homosexuals. We will not do same-sex marriage. Malinaw po yan sa ating kultura, at dahil bahagi ng ating kultura bilang mga Pilipino, yan po ay dapat nating isama sa ating disiplina. Hindi tayo kailangan susunod sa anumang pagbabago ng Methodist Church sa Amerika. Kailangan maglagay tayo sa ating disiplina as a regional church na bawalan natin ang mga batas na pinatag ng Supreme Court ng Amerika. Now, ito pong regionalization, ang pinakamatinding emphasis dito ay yung mayroon tayong kalayaan na gawin natin ang nararapat sa ating buhay bilang isang iglesia, religious community, that will enable us to do our calling as a church, to be a Christian community with a mission in our own setting, in our own cultural context. Yan po ang importante. Ang ibig sabihin yun, ang regionalization ay binibigyan tayo ng sapat na autonomy sa ating buhay, sa ating misyon, sa ating pananampalataya.
So, Bishop, same-sex marriage is not a doctrinal issue.
It is not a doctrinal issue. It is a cultural issue.